Unleash the power of your thoughts with the Panorama Assessment Tool, from imagination to implementation. Welcome to the Panorama Assessment Tool, PAT Guide. Let's walk you through a quick tutorial on how to use Pan AI, your personal AI-powered business advisor. Pan AI is an advanced chatbot designed to analyze business reports and provide intelligent insights, assisting you in making data-driven decisions to improve your business. Whether you need help with performance evaluation, strategy formulation, or identifying key areas of improvement, Pan AI is here to help. Navigate to Pan AI and give your chat a name for future reference. Then select the reports you want to analyze and click on Create Session button. A chat session will be created, and it will appear on a table below the button. Click on Open to open your chat session. To get the best results, you should ask specific, targeted questions related to your business needs, such as improving performance, identifying growth opportunities, or finding key actionable items based on your assessment. Pan AI can offer tailored strategies, generate detailed reports, and suggest actionable steps based on the data provided. You are encouraged to engage in follow-up questions for clarity and deeper analysis, making Pan AI a continuous source of support for informed decision-making. And that's it. You now know how to analyze your assessment report using Pan AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, contact us at info@panoramamas.com.